Okay, so back on this 1988 K75 S, and my turn signal switch was broken when I got it. So, I mean, I could still activate it here with this little nub, but it's supposed to be a big paddle like you see here. But it's a very easy fix. It's just a couple of screws, and then you get a repair kit from BMW, and it's 20 bucks, so it's fairly inexpensive. And it gets you two replacement turn signal switches. So let me pull this off and show you real quick how to do it. Okay, so you start by removing this one screw here, and I'm going to use both hands because I'm in the garage and it's dark and I don't want to lose the screw. So let me unscrew this and show you underneath. All right, so once the screw's off, you just flip it over, and then you just want to take out that one screw right there. All right, once that screw is out, it just pulls out, and then we'll take the new one and make sure you got it go in the right direction, and we'll put it back in and screw it back in, and that's it. Okay, so here was the broken piece off of this side. It was a little bit of a bear to try and get in there and pull it out, so just use some needle nose pliers and pull that out. But now I've got turn signals, and so now it works. And then here's the cancel, is just the thumb up there, and that's working as well. And then we'll cancel. So that's it. Real simple fix.